Hey everyone, I'm Sparky. Welcome to Sparky Does Stuff. Today we're gonna fix a table. I built this table, part of it. The legs and the top, which is underneath that top right there, was given to me by my grandpa. And I built the rest of it, the base, and I added the wood flooring on the top, painted everything, polyurethaned everything, added this black rubber rim around it, beautiful. And I gave it to my brother as a wedding / engagement present. And my now sister-in-law, God bless her heart, thought it would hold a person. It didn't hold a person. So now we're gonna fix it up. So my thoughts on fixing this up is based off of the pyramids, right? We're gonna do the same wood we used for the base, and we're gonna do the same thing we did with dowel rods, and they're just gonna go triangularly up, kind of like the pyramids. Don't know how well that's gonna work, but you never know. We're gonna draw it up, see what happens. Maybe just go with thicker dowel rods. I've been thinking about it. I don't think I'm gonna get the right angles that I want, the triangular angles, with the idea I had with the base, the same boards I used for the base. So I think I'm just gonna use the larger dowel rods. So I'm gonna hop over to Hobby Lobby or Home Depot, see what they have. So didn't really find what I wanted at Home Depot. So I went to Menards, found what I wanted. We're all set. We're gonna head inside, see what we can do. I just took the top off of this. Sitting there, about to take the legs off. I want to show you these are the dowel rods I picked out. They're pretty thick, pretty good size. Obviously compared to these twigs. Hopefully these will definitely hold a person. So I asked my sister-in-law about the height, and she said she really liked the height that was on there. So we're gonna try to stick with that same height. But I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I have an idea of what I want to do that'll look a lot cooler, but I don't know how stable it is, and we're going for stability here. So quick update, I caught one of those. I did not find the angle that I want, so I'm gonna keep eyeballing it. Gonna measure the rest of them out, find the angle I want, and we have to paint. I found my angle I'm gonna work with. This is gonna be hopefully great. We're gonna cut it. Got the first coat done on that. I decided to do the legs polyurethane that matches the top, so hopefully that'll look good. I think it will. I redid a coat on the base of the table. It'll look a lot better. I'm gonna do a clear protective coat of polyurethane on all of it, just so it doesn't get damaged as it was when I got it. It did not look pretty. So we're gonna do another coat of black paint on the base, and then a clear coat of protection polyurethane, and then we're gonna do another coat of polyurethane on the legs. looks sick. So here's the final product. I think it looks really good. I like the stained legs over the black legs, and I love how thicker they are, and it looks great. Even with the screws in them invisible, they still look really good, right? And it's the perfect height I wanted it. My sister-in-law, she wanted it about the same height, which was a little bit, I think, down there. But I think this is a lot better, because they have a pretty tall couch now. And either way, this will look great, no matter what. So, being how the whole point I rebuilt this was to make it more sturdy and steady and stable, I'm gonna test it out, because if it breaks, then it's on me. I think it holds me. So, thank you guys for watching. Let's go do something else.